Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm just going to talk about some important things which you must do in 2021 so that you can make your year a best year ever. Actually, this video is going to be a very short and quick video, but make sure you watch the whole video till the end because you never know which idea or thought may resonate with you and can change your whole life forever and can change your whole perspective. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, the first thing which you can do is start maintaining a daily journal because it will actually help you to improve your mental wellness. It will help you to understand yourself better, and it will also help you to grow personally, emotionally, and also it is like very useful for your physical health as well, because when you are like feeling better mentally, then of course your health will also be improved. The second thing which you can do, start writing about your goals on daily basis in a particular diary or on a piece of paper. एंड इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है कि डेली बेसिस पे आपको अपने डायरी में दो ब्लैंक पेज ओपन करने, एंड फर्स्ट पेज पे आपको 10 गोल्स लिखने एंड नेक्स्ट पेज पे आपको और 10 गोल्स लिखने हैं. बट नेक्स्ट डे जब आप उस डायरी को ओपन करेंगे तो आपको जो अपने पुराने गोल्स हैं वो नहीं देखने हैं, आपको एकदम फ्रेश माइंड से जो आपके माइंड में आ रहे हैं गोल्स आपको उनको लिखना है. सो डेली बेसिस पे आपको ये करना है, एंड दिस वॉज द बेस्ट थिंग विच एक्चुअली आई हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम अ वेरी फेमस बुक, Goals by Brian Tracy, in 2017, and since 2018 I am actually writing about my all goals on daily basis in a particular diary. So goals are like really important for your life because it actually give you a particular direction. And the next thing which you can do is start practicing self-love. A very famous quote by Lord Krishna: happiness is a state of mind. It has nothing to do with the external world. When you love yourself, you actually will become free from the external world, will become free from the opinion of others, and will actually succeed in the every aspect of your life. And when you love yourself, you actually don't need anyone to like make you happy, or you actually don't depend on anyone for your own happiness, because you are the only person who is responsible for your own happiness, your joy. So this is like your responsibility. Just start practicing self-love. And the next and most important thing, see, we are living in a world where we most of the time we are busy doing this thing, doing that thing, or doing our job or work, or busy with family's responsibility. So we hardly get some time for ourselves, right? So mornings like are the best where you can spend some time for yourself. And if you spend early morning me time for yourself, for your ideas, for your thoughts, for your health, for your mental wellness, then you will see actually massive changes in your outlook, in your self-image, and also in your like self-improvement as well. So this is like very small habit, but actually can change your whole life if you start wake up early in the morning and start practicing this small me time habit. And the next thing which you can do, read a lot. If you seriously want to master any skill, or like if you want to learn something new related to your job skills, or if you want to see changes in your professional as well as in your personal life, then start reading books, articles and blogs. And I think books are the best source where you can get a lot of ideas and solutions. And also reading actually gives you a perception and to see things in a like different way, and also it gives you a lot of knowledge, wisdom, and it also improves your self confidence, and also it like improves your whole personality. So like this is the best thing which you can do in 2021 start reading a lot, and this is like up to you what kind of interest you have. You can read about anything. You can read fiction books, you can read non-fiction books, and also you can read something which is related to your work or profession. And the best thing is reading also improves your vocabulary and writing skills as well. So there is like huge benefits if you start reading books, articles or blogs. And the next thing which you can do is like very close to my heart, and I will suggest you must start doing this particular thing. Start helping people without any expectation. Trust me, this is the best thing which you can do in your life always, and it will actually give you immense like happiness and a kind of like एक satisfaction होता है ना कि जो मिलता है आपको किसी की हेल्प करके. ट्रस्ट मी, एंड उसके रिटर्न में आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए, एंड इट विल actually give you a big reward in life as well. When you do help others, you actually receive in return for sure, not from the same person, but it will happen, you will receive from the other person for sure. So this is the like best thing which you can do if you also want to improve your personality as well. So that's all for today. If you like my video, then don't forget hit a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload a new video you can get a notification. And also if you have something in your mind which you want to add in this list, then you can leave your comment in the comment section. I would love to see your comment and will reply for sure. So yeah, we'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.